So listen carefully and then answer these, like what the weather like in Greece. What is the weather like in Greece? Andaqda Gretsiyaning havo rayi qanday bo'ldi? Onun buning qiziqsanglar, mush bizningki qisqagina bir karton film bor, shuni ayta diqqat qilib anglab, mush savollarga bir javob topsanglar. Okay.
Where do you come from?
I come from Greece.
What's the climate like in your country?
It's very pleasant.
What's the weather like in spring?
It's often windy in March. It's always warm in April and May, but it rains sometimes.
What's it like in summer?
The sun shines every day.
Is it cold or warm in autumn?
It's always warm in September and October. It's often cold in November, and it rains sometimes.
Is it very cold in winter?
It's often cold in December, January, and February. It snows sometimes.
Okay guys, so have you finished? Anaqda balla, anlagan bolsanglar, mushu Gretsiyaninki havo rayi qanday bo'ldi? What about in spring? Okay. In spring it's windy, warm, and rainy, right? Hamda mushu Gretsiyaning havo rayi hamda windy, warm, rainy, yomg'ir ekan, shamol chiqar ekan, shunami? Hamda qaysi oylarga tayyor ekanda? March, April, and May. So what about summer? What's the weather like in summer? Okay, who can answer? Can you answer this question? What's the weather like in summer in Greece? According to listening, it's hot and sunny. Issiq, nima? Quyosh chiqishi shunami? Sunny, quyoshliq. And it's includes June, July, August. Asosan Qashqarga o'xshab qoladi ekan, What about autumn? Okay, what about autumn? So, what is the weather like in autumn? So, what is the weather like in autumn? Okay, it's warm, cold, rainy, right? Good. Cold, warm, rainy. September, October, November. Okay. September, October, and November. What about last one? Last but not least. So who can answer this one? Like winter. Okay, winter. What's the weather like in winter? What is the weather like in winter? Okay, it's of course it's cold and snowy. Soğuk, köp, qar yağadi. Like they are December, January, and February. Good. Look, listen again and answer. Okay. And anglab boldik, and anglamaylar. Sizlar mush ekran qaragach, hamda bu shu bizningki savollar bor. Shu savollarni tanlab beqinglar bolalar. Listen, what's the climate like in Greece? A, it's very windy. B, it's very hot. C, it's very rainy. D, it's very pleasant. Okay. Which one is the best answer for this question? Which? Yeah. Which one? Which one? Okay. Amda misharika. Mushu kelimat shunami? Andaqda savodashlar. Qaranglar, mushu bugungi tekstimizdagi intayim muhim bo'lgan, sizlar bilmasanglar faqat bo'lmaydigan bir nechta nuqta bor. Masalan, qaranglar, what's the climate like in your country? Amda misharika, what is something like? Okay, amda misharika like deganimizdan nima desanglar, bir jetsi bo'ladi mishada. Bu hargizmi bu yerga hamda ayrim bir biz ilgari o'rgangan hamda omroq degan gap emas. Bu nima desanglar, ama what bilan birlashib, birikib nima desanglar, ma'lum bir narsalar yoki odamlarningki şunun holati, ahvolining qandaqligini surishti qilishga ishiltiladi. Andaqda bir qo'shilg'uchi dedik, And so, masalan, what's the weather like today? Bugun havo qandaroq degan gap. Bugun havo qandaroq. Endi bu like bilan be like deganning farqi nima desanglar? Masalan, bir ikki jumla keltirib berasizlarga farqlantirib qo'ying. Masalan, I am like my father. Yana birisi I like my father. Okay. Endi bilsa I like my father degan men dadamga amroq degan gap. Tushunami? Endi I am like my father degan men dadamga o'xshash. Demak, endi meni chiroy turqim, badan shaklim, har qaysi jihatdan, bu sirtqi qiyofat jihatdan, ko'rinish jihatdan o'xshagan bo'lsa, nima desanglar, bu like ni ishlatamiz. Demakchi be like. Be like. Demak, endi like degan shu qo'shilg'uchilar endi keyingi so'zdan birlashib, ma'no o'xshaydiganlikdan iborat shundaq bir ma'noni beradi. Aniqda. Mesela bunu adamlarga ishlatishga bo'lamdi deganda tamoman bo'ladi. Agar odamlarga ishlatsa bu nima ma'noni derak berdi deganda, agar odamlarga ishlatsa buningki shu tashqi qiyofati, onun nisbat mijoz xuluqlarining qandaq bir aloyidlik ekanligini so'rashga ishlatildi. Masalan, alaylik, what's your brother like? Akınız bir qandaq bir adam yoki akınız bir qandaq bir yoki ininiz qandaq bir bala desa, he has round face, oyunda yumlaq yüzlük, big eyes, yoğun, çoğun gözlük, and brown hair. And şu qo'ng'ir rang chechi bor. Demak, hamda shu odamlarga nisbatan aytganda, hamda shu tashqi qiyofati, ko'rinishi, shu aloyidlikni surishti qilishga, hamda boshqalarni so'rashga masalan, what's your brother like? Andaqda what's your house like? Sizning uyingiz qandaroq? Sizning uyingiz qandaq desanim deymiz. It's a big and bright. Night yo'g'on and night yorug'. Demak, endi musharika balla. What is something like? Yoki what is somebody like? Degan gap hamda shu bir biz boshqa narsalarni yoki shaylarni yoki bir odamlarning tashqi qiyofat va shuning munosib bo'lgan aloyidliklarni so'rashda, surishti qilishda ishlatilgan jumla. Shunga what is somebody like yoki what is something like bu shuni yaxshi puxta egallar. Bu hisobda bugungi darsimizga intayin muhim narsa. Masalan, buning bir necha shakli bor. Masalan, what's the climate like in your country? Sizning davlatingizning klimati qanday? Endi bir sharaka climate. Climate deganimiz nima? Masalan, klimat degan ma'lum bir rayonning uzoq vaqtdagi havo rayoni ko'rsatadi. Climate. And the weather degancha bir qisqa. Masalan, haftalik yoki necha kunlik yoki bir kunlik degandek bu shuni weather deymiz. Masalan, what's the weather like in Kashgar? Qashqarning havosi qanday deymiz endi. Endi masalan, Qashqarga faqat kelib boqmaganlar what's the climate like in Kashgar bo'lsa, Qashqarning klimati qanday? Demakchi uzoq mezgillik, masalan, bir tipik aloyidlik qurg'oq shunami degandek. Demak, endi musharaka climate bilan weatherdan farqi nima desanglar, climate degan shu nima desanglar, shu bir rayonningki bir yil atrofidagi shu havo rayoning ahvoli. Hamda weather degan shu ma'lum bir vaqtga ahvollanamiz. So what's the weather like in Greece? It's very pleasant. Shunami? What's the climate like in Greece? It's very pleasant. Tayin bir xil kishiga yiqishliq, odamga xushallik ato qilgan nihoyatda yaxshi degan gap. Pleasant. Nihoyatda yiqishliq. So what's the weather like today? It's warm and sunny. Bugun havo qanday? Say it's warm and sunny. Bugun illiq ham qanday? Nihoyatda quyosh parlab turdi. Good. Bo'ldi bolalar, bugungi darsimizning intayin muhim bo'lgan tochkasi, intayin muhim bo'lgan mig'izlari chiqib bo'ldi. Sizlar mushuning asosan qanday desanglar, mush tekstni qattiq yodlab o'tinglar. Hamda yodlaganda nimaga diqqat qilinglar desanglar, sizlar hamda 50 darslik kelib qoldinglar. Bu yanalam sizlarningki tilinglar bu tilga ko'nab bo'lanmadi uchun. Shunga bo'lsa, bizning abdi ta'limimizni bor va yoki bizningki baydo'dan aqto'sanlar bo'ldi, buningki tinglisini topqani bo'ladi, anglash qismini. Sizlar shuning bir tarafdan anglab yodlanglar. anglab yatılsаңlar, bu umumiy texim yaxshi bo'ldi. Onun üstüge yaqında bizningki ag'ayning to'r bet e'lon qilindi. Bizning to'r betda hamma narsa bor. Sizlar to'r orqali, app orqali chiqib, mush to'rga chiqqani bo'lgan uskunlar bo'lsa, o'rgangani bo'ladi. Har qanday o'rinda, har qanday sharoitda. Shunga bo'lsa izchil davomlashtirsanglar, demak izchil davomlashtirish bu muvaffaqiyatning ochiqchi. Bel qo'yib qo'yadinglar, to'xtab qoldinglar, mag'lub bo'ldinglar degan gap. Demak, hozir sizlar 50 dars kelgan bo'lsa, ko'rgan bu izchil ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, demak, yana to'xtamay qanday qilinglar, ilgirlanglar. All right, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.